Yes. Chicken joy. Chicken joy. Jollibee. Yes. I have mango peach mango. Nice. Spicy is nice. Spicy, but nice. Chicken joy. Nag-order akong manok kay anak kong lumiyak na sa Bukit Jalil, pabili ng chicken Jollibee. So, di-orderan ko. Na-order siya siyam kabuo. 9 kabuo. Then, half is spicy. 4 spicy. Then, 5 original. Very nice. And then, siya mag-try daw mango pie. I-try ka na. Long time. How many years I didn't eat Jollibee? 4 years. Now 8 already. Happy. Happy now. Pare-pareha siya price sa Kentucky. But more nicer this. Kentucky is KFC. Okay. They call it Kentucky Diri. Dito. Hindi, Philippines. Mary Jane. MJ. Oh, nice. Okay guys, sa wakas ikaw na sa loob Jollibee after 4 years 2018 katilaw ko pag-uli ko ora after that wala na taro na sa thank you, bye. Belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa tanan. Happy New Year!